Hey there, curious minds. Did you know that worms have their own secret language? Yep, you heard me right. Worms, those squiggly little creatures under your garden soil, have a fascinating way of communicating that doesn't involve sounds or gestures. Instead, they use coiling. Intrigued? Let's dive in. First things first, worms don't have eyes, ears, or even a brain like we do. So, how do they manage to communicate? They rely on their unique ability to coil and uncoil their bodies. This coiling is more than just a way to move, it's their version of a chat. When worms sense changes in their environment, like moisture, temperature, or even the presence of other worms, they begin to coil in specific patterns. What's super cool is that these patterns can convey different messages. For instance, a worm might coil tightly to signal that danger is near, like a predator or a sudden drop in temperature. On the other hand, a loose, relaxed coil might indicate that everything is A-OK and it's safe to come out and explore. But how do other worms pick up on this signal? Worms have specialized cells on their skin called chemoreceptors. These cells can detect chemical changes in the soil around them. So when one worm coils in response to a threat, it releases certain chemicals that other worms can sense. This chemical signaling helps spread the message quickly through the worm community. It's like a natural underground text message system. You might be wondering, why should anyone care about how worms communicate? Well, understanding worm communication can actually help us in various ways. For instance, farmers and gardeners can use this knowledge to create better soil conditions. By understanding what stresses worms out, they can improve soil health, which in turn boosts plant growth. Plus, worms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter and enriching the soil, making them indispensable to our ecosystem. And here's another fun fact. Scientists are studying worm communication to develop new technologies. Imagine robots that can communicate through chemical signals just like worms. This could revolutionize fields like environmental monitoring and even search and rescue operations. So next time you see a worm wriggling around in the dirt, remember that it might be having a conversation right beneath your feet. These tiny creatures might be small, but their secret language of coiling communication is nothing short of amazing. Thanks for tuning in, and keep that curiosity alive. Until next time, stay curious.